A sudden storm created a humorous moment on the Delaware coast. Strong winds sent dozens of umbrellas tumbling out into the ocean.
Are you kidding?
All those umbrellas just flew out to sea.
Beachgoers were caught off guard by the heavy rain, many running for shelter. The National Weather Service had issued a special marine warning that day, stating hail and gusts of up to 80 kilometers per hour were possible. The severe weather came one day after a waterspout caused destruction to nearby Smith Island in Maryland.